In this video, I will show you that how to animate text and objects in Canva. So for object, we will go to elements, and for example, like this same we will use, and this is here. And text, we will click text and add a heading, for example, and like text flower. So now we want to apply, animations to text and objects, so object, that element we will select, and here you can see animate at the top, so you can click on animate. Now these are element animations, okay, and if you upload something like, from upload files, and for example like this one, this icon like object, and if we drag and drop it here, now if we select it, animate, so this is, you can see photo animations. So this is element animations, this is photo animations, and if we select text, so that is text animations. So all these three things are different. You can see all are animations, just the difference is like this is element, this is photo, and this is text. So when we select elements, so you can see like here the basic animations, if we move the mouse like rise, so you can see rise, see pan like this, fade, so this fade. So all these animations you can see here, like, and these are exaggerate, see, neon, like scrapbook, see. And so these are the animations, like see rotate also you can apply, so constantly you can see it's rotating for a few seconds, pulse. So for example like rise we apply, so just click on it, animate both like enter or exit. So one thing also, like on enter you can apply speed, you can like change from here, like if you decrease it, so it will take time. Direction, it's going on top, you can like use like it's going to the bottom side. So these are different, you can apply. If you have applied like rise, this one, now you want to remove, so you can remove animation from here. Same thing like the text animation, you can select here, and you can see like rise, so A, B, C, now you can see here the text. If we select this, so like elements, you can see how the elements will animate, and you can see like heart, triangle, rectangle, circle, these elements you can see here. And photo animation, so the photo animations you can see here, like if we apply for example rotate, so now it's rotating, you can see. And if we apply like neon, so you can see this, okay, like tumble, you can see it's coming from here. So intensity, like we can decrease or increase if you want, okay. So this is, and the flower text here, like same thing we can apply, see. And now this one also I will apply vibe or some, see. So all three animations now you can see together, see. So this is the easy method you can use to apply animation to text and objects and elements in Canva. So just subscribe to my channel, and you will get notifications for my upcoming videos, and also share the video with your friends, so they can also learn and increase their professional graphic designing skills. Thank you so much once again.